Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. This is a lamp book that I made following a tutorial by Miss Paint-A-Lot, and I'll put a link to her YouTube channel down below, and you really have to go check it out. She has at least 3 or 4 tutorials a week and live classes slash tutorial sessions on Sunday mornings at 8 a.m. Now, I made this about a year ago, and I just finished it today. It's very minimalist, and there are some places where there aren't any cards, but other than that, it's completely done. I'm not going to go back and do any more to it. So it's got a 3-inch spine and 2 1.5-inch spines. And I'm going to, I weighed it, and it weighs 2 pounds. And being a lamp book, I'm going to have to do some sliding and shifting, to show you the whole thing. So at first it opens up like this, and you have the 2 main sections. Then it opens up again like this on either side. So let's start with this side, and let's start with the end section. Now, this section right here is the policy closure. Of course, there's a card here. And then I also slid this inside, and these are windows. Then it opens this way, and there's a pocket. And there's supposed to be a pocket there. See, I told you. It's been a while since I've looked at it, I guess. And then there's a pocket here and a pocket here, and 2 pockets here and a pocket here. And then you turn it back this way, and there's a pocket here. So it actually opens up into 4 panels on both sides. Okay, so slide that back in there. Then this opens like this. And there's a hidden pocket here. Take this out. Maybe I'll leave this out so I can show you. There's a belly band here with a notebook. It's in upside down, and a writing card. Okay. And then it opens this way, and there's a belly band with a card here. There's a tuck with a card here, and that's all. I don't think it opens anymore. Then in the middle section, you untie this, and this opens like this with a pocket or a tuck, and there's a large pocket here, which I've lost my card. There's a large pocket here with a card, and there's like I said, there's a tuck over here. Then you close this back, and you open it like this, and there's double tucks here. There's one here, one here, and it opens again. I know it does, yes. And it opens this way, and there's a belly band right here. There's 2 pockets here. There's one inside each part, and it opens up, and there's 2 big pockets here. Like I said, I made this a year ago. I did a quick flip through this morning after I put the inner spine and the hidden spine. I don't know why I put it off for a year. I guess I was just, every time I looked at it, I was afraid. Was not very confident in myself in doing it. So now here's the other side. I love this paper. It's Tim Holtz. Okay, well, I can't think of which one it is. And then you open it here, and this is its own separate thing. And you open it up here, and it comes out. Let's see if I can do all the flaps without taking it out. So there's a pocket here, There's a pocket here. I think there's a, yeah, there's a belly band here. There's a pocket here. Then you turn it this way and there's a large pocket here. There's a window here with a large pocket. And then, let's see if I can, I think I have to take it out. So here's the hidden spine. The two bird cages. And then this opens like this. And then like this. Pocket, 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 pocket. It opens one more time. And it opens like this. Pocket. I think I might have showed you this with the side pocket here. On this side is policy closure pocket. I'm not going to tie it back. I'm just going to, in fact, I'll just leave it out. On this side over here is a notebook. It's just coffee dyed paper to write in. Doesn't seem to be a whole lot of writing space in this one. Then you untie this, and this is just a window, and it flips open. It's just for viewing. And this opens this way, and this is a policy closure with a pocket right here. This is 4 pockets. Oh no, it's only 2, but it can be made to have 4. I guess I didn't have enough room. And I don't know if I made it as a belly band. No, it's 2 cards. One at the top and then a tuck at the bottom. And then it opens this way. And there's 2 cards here in the pocket. There's a tuck here. Oops, which way does it go? I know it opens up. And then it opens up this way. There's a pocket here. There's a pocket here. And there's a pocket up here. Here's just a beautiful image that I put in. And I believe finally, over here, there's a large pocket. Oops, right up along here with these 2 writing cards. I think that's all. I think that might be it. So this is my Timmy's Terrific Tome. I did a Tome. Tome. Keep wanting to say Tome. I don't know why. And I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I didn't make a tutorial on this because I was following a tutorial, and this is the first one that I've ever made. And if you want to see the second one that I made, which was a year later, then you can, there's the card, then you can check it out on YouTube. And it's Let It Snow, my Merry Christmas lap book. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, and that will probably be a tutorial series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Thank you. Bye-bye.